Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding. So I'm going to cover different scenarios with different examples. So if possible, try to watch all the videos so that you'll get some clarity on DAX and all. Okay, so now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into details of the report, let me explain. So what are the tables I have imported from the Excel? Okay, customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables I have taken from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important. So for that I will go to the model tab, so just scroll down. Now we can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that some kind of color highlighting. It means that based on this key column I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So even we can see that what kind of propagation, filter propagation it is from one direction to many direction. It means that based on uh, the direction is like from dimension table to the fact table it's going on. Okay, so likewise I have established the relationship for the remaining tables also. So we'll talk more on this in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's video only. Let's go to this report. So this is the matrix as well. So in this we can see that this is the year level, and when it drill down to further level we can see that week level. So what I have done here is, so basically, for example, this is the in 2000 with respect to the week wise, this is the current week sales, this is the previous week sales. So what I'm doing here is percentage of sales. So with respect to the current week sales, how much percentage previous week sales, whether it is increased or decreased. Okay, so like that I have created this measure, and also based on this percentage of sales I have displaying as a symbols. Okay, if the percentage in positive means it's upside, and also different color. If it is negative percentage means downside, so in red color, like that. So I have created these three measures, so I'll try to explain. Okay, so for example, in week 27 this is the sales. For that we don't have any previous week because we have the sales starting from this week onwards only. Okay, when it comes to week 28, so we have 93.33. so what is the previous week sales? 91.20. so I'll try to take the snipping, so I'll try to make it. Okay, now you can see. So this is the week 28 sales, 93.33. so for this, what is the previous week? Week 27. so this sales will come to the year. So when you take the difference, so what is the percentage of sales when compared to the current week? Okay, so for example, this is the 93.33, here 91.35. so when you take the difference and if you calculate the percentage, so with respect to the previous week sales, current week sales are 2% more. Okay, 2% increased. When it comes to this one, week 29, 87.35 current week sales, but when it comes to previous week is 28, 93.33. so with respect to the current week, so previous week has more sales, so that is the reason we got 6% low, I mean negative. So likewise I have created the measures. Okay, now you can see. So even we can check for 2002 also. 3 also. So I'll try to show all these measures and all. Okay, so for current week sales, what is that? current week sales. So I'll try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. So this is the total sales. Okay, and also previous week sales. So previous week sales, here I have taken 4 variables. One variable is capturing the week number, and another one is year, as well as third variable is taking the entire within the year what is the max week number. So this gives the max week number. So with respect to the current week, this is also with respect to the current year it gives. And finally, based on 3 measures, I'm writing the expression by using filter function and also all function if condition. So I'm checking, and finally I'm validating if the current whatever the expression is blank means return the blank, otherwise return this sales week variable. Okay, so likewise I have written this expression to get the previous week sales. Even I explained how to calculate the previous week sales in last videos, so please try to watch there explain in detail. But in this video I'm trying to cover how to take the percentage sales with respect to the previous week. So for the symbol how to get, I'll try to show that symbol. So here based on the symbol measure, I'm taking if it is 0.01 greater than, show this symbol. If it is less than 0.01 means this symbol. So based on unicare function I am displaying all these, and also color also, even you can notice that. So if the percentage is greater than 0.01 means show this color, otherwise red color. Like that I have written the measures. Okay, so this is the matrix side visual. When it comes to table, same thing. What are the measures I have used for the matrix, same measures, but the way I representing is different, because this is the table visual, that is matrix visual. In table level, even I have taken one more step, like I have added background color. So I'll try to show that is background color. So background color, it's opening. Now you can see that based on this so diverging, we can see that if it the lowest percentage in medium means this color, if it is the more percentage means we will get this color. So likewise we can see the background color, right? Along with that I am representing symbol also. So based on that we can easily understand which week is performing better sales, which week is not performing that. So we'll take some kind of understand the data, make a decision. It's possible, right? So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our videos. Please subscribe my channel.